Okay, so here's the sequel to the bubble that was in the grass that was so awesome. The bubble was right here, and here's where that post was. I took the post out. I'm assuming the break's gonna be right here. I'm gonna try to cut this out as best I can so I can put it right back in place really easily. So I'm going to cut this open like this. Okay guys, so I haven't actually pulled hardly any dirt out. I just took the plug out, the plug of sod right here. And then I went and got this flashlight. If you guys haven't seen this thing, it's so awesome. Milwaukee's making some awesome cordless tools. And I picked this up. I've got a couple of the other cordless tools and I'm down with them. They're awesome. This light is awesome. So there's the issue right there, that dirty old stake. That T-post, you failed me. Look at this clay soil, guys. See my soil here? It's like super clay. This is a testament that you can grow grass, good looking grass, in any soil. Look at this. This is what's down there in this hole. This clay crap. There's the break right there. See that? It's broken here and there. Okay, guys. So here's the problem right here. The T-post came in there and crushed the pipe right there. Although it was awesome yesterday when this was going down with that bubble, now it's turned into a big fat chore, which I'm okay with because it's, you know, it's enjoyable work. So I've got to cut this about right here. I'm just going to use this little cut tool. Look at that. Oh, I didn't get a very clean cut. I need to go look in my PVC bag of tricks, see what I can find to fix this connection. I'm back from sifting in my pile of tricks, and I've got these little things right here. I'm gonna put a drain in there, and I'm gonna add another sprinkler head right here so I can get a little bit more water. Got some dry areas over there. So I found a piece of pipe in my junk pile. This actually came from a broken sprinkler pipe that I had over there. When I was drilling a hole with an auger, I drilled right into one of my pipes over there when I was planting that tree over there by that trampoline. So that's where this pipe came from. And I had to do the exact same thing that I'm doing now. And back then, I actually added a sprinkler head as well over there. So, when in doubt, add another sprinkler head. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I've got my plumbing parts that I need. Got this little sleeve that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put a drain in and put a new head in with this, like this. Here, the break was right here. And so I'm going to put this in here, right here. This blue thing is a drain, and then this black thing right here is going to be for another sprinkler head that I'm going to add. So this thing's called a pipe dream. Got this on the inner screen, as Tara would say. Okay, so the first thing you got to do when you're making PVC connections is put the primer on there. I'm not sure what this stuff does, but I think it just roughs up and makes it so the glue will stick better. So now I need to glue these two together like that and put this piece in the center to connect those. So get a little bit of glue on there. So if you want something really nice when you're doing this, get glue all over your fingers. It's a real pleasure. So that one's gonna go on there like that. And this one needs to go on there like that. Just push these on. So I made this little black mark right here when I was dry fitting it, so I'd know exactly how to put that together so I wouldn't have to question it. It only takes a few seconds to set up. So now, I need to put this on there like that. So this thing's a drain, and then this is gonna feed my sprinkler pipe. After you push it on, hold it just for a minute. There. Ooh, that is gonna be tough. That is gonna be hard to get this thing on there like that. Okay, so I've got this thing primered here. Got this side primered. I primered here, primered there. And so the idea is to slip it over this way like that, all the way, and then slip it back onto here like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this and hope for the best. Like Alan Haynes says. Ugh, this is scary. Okay, so gluing this side, trying not to get dirt everywhere. Okay, gluing here, and gluing here. So it says slip it onto here first, like that. And then slip it over like that. That should do it. You freaking kidding me? There you go, pal. The end of the pipe should be there, and that's how you fix a straight pipe without having to do a bend. Sometimes you have to do a 90-degree bend like this, then back. That can be a real pain in the butt. So, to get my funny pipe put on there, then backfill this thing. So this pipe should go right on here. Ooh, that doesn't fit, dang it. Dang it. Guess I gotta go get some more pipe. That's not gonna work for me. Look at that, it's draining in there. The drain's working. If you can see, it's dripping in there. So now I gotta try to get this pipe on there like that. That was not very easy to get that on there. So I need to know if my connections that I glued down here are leaking. So I'm gonna pinch this like this, and then I'm gonna have her turn on the valve, and I'm gonna watch this to see if it leaks. If it doesn't leak, then I'm gonna backfill it and be done. Okay, so I've got water coming out the drain down there, and oh, that just sprayed me, dang it. No, not yet. So I've got a leak right here. I got a leak right here, so I need to tighten this up right there. Okay, so I just tightened this up right here. Whoa. And I'm not getting any leaks, so that is good. Good. So the only place it's gonna be coming out is that drain right there. So I got a little bit of gravel right here. I wanna put that under the drain, like that. Okay, so I want that drain there, so when the zone isn't on, the line will drain, and hopefully, if I possibly forget to winterize the sprinklers over the winter, it'll drain there, and then hopefully I won't have another broken pipe and cause another water bed. So I want the drain in there. Some people like drains, some people don't like drains, but I'm a pro drain kind of guy. I want this thing to be straight up and down, and I want that to sit just under the soil, like about right there. Maybe a little bit down, right like that. Okay, so once you get that kind of just where you want it, I need to hook up this pipe to there. Cut this to length, and I know it's perfect, so I just need to put this on here like this. Put this on as tight as you can get it. Okay, so I've kind of jammed the head right against this corner right here, and now I want to backfill it with the dirt that I took out of the trench, and I want this to stay just right there. So I'm going to grab some of this dirt right here and pack it in here like that. Okay. Okay guys, so without, the project's done. It was really easy to fix. It just takes a little bit of effort and time. I had the parts on hand. Keep these things on hand because I always have issues like this, and I like to fix fix stuff myself. I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I will see you in the next one.